Webinar seems not strange for most of us. Amid the pandemic, it allows us to connect with friends, clients, business partners over high-quality video calls. Running a webinar gives you the chance to build your brand, authority, engage your audience, and generate leads. In the case of automated webinars, you can even do while you sleep. Webinars lets you tap into a virtually unlimited and type 24/7 traffic stream, more than plus 300 million daily visitors that maximize your profit with zero work for you. So today I present to you PrimeMeet. What is PrimeMeet, the pros and cons, and also I will express my honest review at the end of this video. But before we start, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and also you want to see the latest products and software reviews that can help you in your business, what you waiting for? Smash subscribe right now and hit the notification bells. Now let's get started. So what is PrimeMeet? PrimeMeet is an ultimate solution to connect and collaborate from live video chat, meeting, conference, live class, online training, webinar, podcast, group chat, screen sharing, real-time file sharing, and so many other engaging campaigns to boost your business marketing strategies. It is a cloud-based video conference platform designed to help businesses conduct virtual meetings and can easily compete with powerful software like Zoom, GoToWebinar, and Skype. So here in the sales page, stop overpaying ridiculous fees just to conduct online meeting that should be a breeze. Brand new incredible web conference software that allows you to run multiple webinars and meeting, generate leads, build business connections, and multiply your profit today. Now with inbuilt smart marketing features such as one-click lead generation, real-time and dashboard designer, interactive team meeting, and plenty of other features to boost your sales. A quality, high-tech, and affordable new solution to host podcasts, webinars, Zoom conference, online classes, and conduct heavy usage live business meeting in one click. Don't miss out on the special deal. Multiply meeting types to choose from. Ready to host unlimited video meeting, live conference, or webinars. No monthly fees, one-time pay, completely cloud-based, with using secure and scalable WebRTC technology. Live interactions tool available. Best-in-class virtual environment to draw in participants. Powerful reports and analytical tools to boost your results. 24-hour 7 days technical support, completely user-friendly, and no prior experience needed. So there is 3 steps to use PrimeMeet. The step number 1, create your webinar, video meeting, or live conference. The step number 2, show your presentation and teach your audience. The step number 3, sell your high-ticket courses or softwares. So let's see how PrimeMeet competes with the top webinar softwares in the market. Like you see, all the other softwares have a monthly fees or an annual fees. Unlike PrimeMeet, have one-time pay and also all the same features. And for the bonuses, you will get 3 special bonuses. Bonus number 1, email autoresponder. Send unlimited email campaign without limitation. Bonus number 2, click model. Start monetizing by implementing tools without any limitation. Cash in without owning any website. Bonus number 3, e-com store builder. Build e-com website in just 1 click. And the bonus number 4, website conversion builder. Skyrocket your website visitor conversion with your social profile app. And for the price, you can grab PrimeMeet today for only $37. One-time pay, no monthly fees. Besides, you will have 13 days money-back guarantee. So for my opinion, if you look for a new software can help you to do live conferencing or run webinars or meeting, this is a great software for you. Besides, you will pay a much lower price, $37 one-time pay with no monthly fees, with all the features that other softwares have and cost you hundreds of dollars. And finally, thank you so much for watching my PrimeMeet review. I hope my PrimeMeet review can help you to make the best purchasing decision. This is a next generation web conference technology. Is something that's never happened before. It might never happen again. And if you want to purchase PrimeMeet, I will much appreciate it if you use my link, the link in the description below. This is my affiliate link, and I will much appreciate it if you use it because I will get a small commission. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a like if you benefit from, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and see you on the next review.